Okay, welcome back. Here's our last part for this unit, calculating angles. So we've learned a couple of rules: the F rule, the C rule, the Z rule, where we can figure out what different angles are. And so we have to apply that sometimes when we need to calculate angles. So if I've got two parallel lines, and I have one transversal, okay, all I need is one angle to solve all the other angles. So let's say, for example, that this angle right here is 60 degrees. Well, I can find all the other angles because of those different rules. So these two are alternate angles, so I know that this is going to be 60 degrees here. I know this angle right here is going to have to be 120 degrees because these two angles together will equal 180 degrees. Because that's 120 degrees, I know that this will be 120 degrees. So then if I apply the F rule, so here's my F, I know that this angle right here is also going to be 60 degrees. If I apply, so once I know that this is going to be 60 degrees. And because that's 60 degrees, I know that this will be 120 degrees. Because that's 120 degrees, I know this has to be 120 degrees. Okay. Then I can check it out, make sure I've done it correctly, but using the Z rule. So here's my Z. So alternate interior angles, so that's 120, so that's 120, so I'm bang on. I can look at the C rule. So that equals 60, and that equals 120, which is 180. So we are good to go. Okay? So taking that info that you know, I want you to turn your textbooks to page 205, 206, and do numbers 1 to 4, and try to solve the different angles, and try using a variety of different strategies to figure out the angles, and then use the different ones to make sure that you've got them correct, just like I did here. Okay? Good job. This is the end of our unit, and we'll be having our pre-test in a couple of days. Well done.